How to comment on Instagram post with a photo. Is it possible? Yes, it is absolutely possible to comment on an Instagram post with a photo. While typically Instagram allows you to leave text-based comments by default, you can also attach photo to your comment by following these steps. Firstly, launch the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, scroll through your feed or go to the Reels section and simply tap on the post where you want to leave a comment. Now in the post you can see comment section available. Simply tap on the comment. So basically you cannot directly attach photo in the post, but you can tap on the reply option available from the other comments and attach the photo. Now you can see photo option available. Simply tap on the photo and browse through your gallery or simply click on the moment, and you can simply tap on the done option available there and upload it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.